Lovable can't copy itself, but we can. So I asked Lovable to rebuild Lovable. We all love recursion. And what did I get? Let's take a look. Same concept, yes, but visually it looks like a template, but really wanted a promotion. There is more stuff, more sections, more look what else I can do. Meanwhile, the real Lovable page is calm and clear, and you arrive and within 2 seconds you know exactly where to click. That's not luck, but design people being terrifyingly good at their jobs. So here's the experiment. Instead of asking AI to guess what the interface should look like, what if we just show it? I recorded the screen and uploaded it to this website. No prompts, no manifestos, no make it modern but also fun, but also minimal, but also revolutionary. Just here's the video and give me the thing. I actually love using Lovable when I want speed, but you probably noticed all of the outputs feel like templates. Alright, moment of truth. Hello, look at this. The colors exactly the same. Fonts, perfect. Layout, spacing, buttons, behaving beautifully. And all of this is available to you. You can open it in your editor, change it, extend it, and connect it to your backend and ship tomorrow. Here's your new product. Not trying to reverse engineer pixels, not trying to get the correct prompts for Cursor, ChatGPT, or whatever. So you just say, I want exactly that, please design, but just for my product. I mean, you know what to do. Link is in the description. Go build something dangerously good.